Then we need to expose ourselves to the morning sunlight of Srimad Bhagavatam. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. So every sadhaka also gets his quota of vitamin D, D3. Nashta prayeshu abhadreshu. First D is detachment from non-essentials, which we start valuing more than what it deserves attention. Nashta prayeshu abhadreshu. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Dedication to the hearing of Srimad Bhagavatam. And Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishthiki, devotion to the Lord irrevocably becomes established in the heart. So we have our vitamin D that we get from this Bhagavatam, the exposure to this, the sunlight of Srimad Bhagavatam, which is what Srila Prabhupada took to the West along with him and allowed even people, Kripana Vatsala. What an amazing word used. Kripana Vatsala. Prabhupada explains in Srimad Bhagavatam, Karpanya Dosho verse. Who is a Kripana? Aviditvat asmat lokat praiti sa Kripana. Having achieved a human form of life, before giving up the human body, if a person does not solve the real problem of life, the real problem of material existence, janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshano darshanam, and dies like a cat or a dog, like in any ordinary person, he has been very miserly. He had access to billions of dollars, crores of rupees, but he spent his life like a beggar on the street. So Kripana, a very, very unfortunate life. Here is Vyasdev sitting in the frozen, ice-cold peaks of the mountain of the Himalayas, where everything around him is completely cold and frozen, except his heart, which is melting in the fire of compassion. Just as Prabhupada, sitting in Vrindavan, in the most aspired for place, but then his heart was melting for the sufferings of the whole world. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And therefore, understanding that the Vedas are extremely difficult to understand for people. Vedaischa sarvair aham, to understand Krishna through the Vedas. Yadate moha kalilam. It's like a forest, you can easily get lost. So what to do? That's the nature of Rishi. I think Prahlad Priya Prabhu was discussing day before yesterday probably about Rishi. It doesn't have to be long hair, matted hair and beard and ashes all over and highly intellectual. No. He explains Rishi Tattva in the very beginning of the Srimad Bhagavatam, the 4th verse of the 1st chapter. Rishayah Shaunakadayah. Naimishe Anvishakshetri Rishayah Shaunakadayah. Satram Surgaya Lokaya Sahasra Samamasata. So there he explains who is a Rishi. The first quality of a Rishi is genuine concern for the sufferings of the people at large. They may be sitting anywhere on this planet, but their heart extends to the sufferings of every living entity, not just in the human form, in all the 84 lakh species.